Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to register your device for Santander Mobile Banking in 2025, step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Download the Santander Mobile Banking app from the App Store or Google Play. Once installed, open the app and select I'm new to mobile banking or register device. Step 2. Enter your Santander online banking credentials, your customer ID or username, and your personal security details. If you haven't registered for online banking yet, go to santander.co.uk or your region's site and enroll first. Step 3. After logging in, Santander will prompt you to verify your identity. You may receive a security code by SMS or email. Enter it to continue. Step 4. Now you'll be asked to name your device and confirm that you want to register it for mobile banking. This helps Santander recognize the device for future logins and transactions. Step 5. Next, you'll create a 5-digit passcode or use biometric authentication like fingerprint or Face ID if your device supports it. Step 6. Once setup is complete, you'll be logged in to your mobile account. Your device is now registered and you can manage your finances securely on the go. Tip: if you ever lose your phone, log into your online banking from another device and remove the lost device from your trusted list for security. And that's it. Your device is now registered with Santander Mobile Banking in 2025. If this tutorial helped, give it a like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more simple banking guides. Thanks for watching.